Namaste parents. Hi dear children, welcome back to cognitive class. In today's cognitive class, we shall work with the cognitive workbook. In the cognitive workbook, open page number 98 where we have an activity to match the flags with their country names. We have the similar flags on both the sides. We have to match them along with the name of the country for which the flags belongs to. This flag belongs to Japan. This is the flag of Japan. Match it. Indian flag. Match it. The next flag is of Israel. South Korea, Thailand, and this flag belongs to Bangladesh. Next, we have an activity to write the names of 6 of India's neighboring countries. The neighboring countries of India are Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, China, and Pakistan. We have a hint box here to complete this activity. Now, let us move on to page number 99 where we have an activity to guess and write the names of Asian countries using the clues. We have few clues here. By reading the clues, we have to name the country. West of Asia and Mecca, the famous tourist spot, or it is also called as a pilgrim place, is located in Saudi Arabia. In this country, noodles are originated and it is most populated country. It is China. Multicultural. You can see the tiger, the national animal, and tricolor. It is none other than India. Islands, and it is located in the southernmost part of Asia. It is Indonesia. Cherry blossom and kimono. It is the country name is Japan. Tribes, and it is surrounded by land. Mongolia. Mongolia is a country which is surrounded by the land. Largest country, and it is in the northernmost tip of Asia. It is Russia. Himalayas are located here and it is a small country. It is Nepal. Dear parents, the activities in page number 98 and 99 have been completed in the class itself. Now let us move on to the assignment part in cognitive practice book. In cognitive practice book, page number 56, we have an activity to match the outlines of the countries with their shadows. Here are the outline maps. I have also named them. It is Russia, India, China, Saudi Arabia, and Philippines. We have to match the outlines to their shadows. Help your child to match it. Then we have an activity to refer the Asia map. Find and write the names of the countries. This country is located to the northeast of Myanmar and its name starts with C. It is China. This country is located to the northwest of India and its name starts with letter P. It is Pakistan. This country is located to the southwest of Syria and its name starts with I. Israel. This country is located to the southeast of Uzbekistan and its name starts with T. It is Tajikistan. Dear parents, kindly help your children to complete the activity in page number 56 in cognitive practice book. Thank you.